In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook ads billing issue in just 5 minutes. Dealing with billing issues can often feel overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you'll be back on track and managing your ads efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google and clicking on the link to take you directly to the dashboard. Once there, look for the button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on that and it will prompt you to log in if you're not already signed into your Facebook account. Now, it's crucial that you enter your email and password correctly to ensure seamless access. After entering your login credentials, click on the Login button. This should redirect you straight to the Ads Manager homepage where all your ad campaigns are listed. Once you're on the campaigns dashboard, the next step is to locate the Billing and Payments section. This can usually be found in the menu at the top of the page. Click on it and it will lead you to a space where you can manage all your billing related settings and activities. Now within the billing and payments section, there's an option to access payment settings. By clicking here, you're brought to an overview of your payment details where you'll need to take a good look at your current payment due. It's essential to check that you're aware of any outstanding amounts that need attention. Once you have checked what is due, the next critical task is ensuring that all dues are paid. This might sound straightforward, but it's an often overlooked step that leads to many billing issues. After ensuring that your dues are settled, look for the Add Payment Method option. Clicking on this will let you review and update your current payment methods. This is an important step as it ensures that Facebook can process your future ad spends without any hiccups. It's important to make sure your payment method is up to date and accurate. Take a moment to verify all the details, whether it's a credit card, a debit card, or another payment form. Ensuring that your details are correct is crucial for smooth transactions. Finally, ensure that the payment method you are using has enough funds to cover your ad costs. This is a simple but important step in preventing future billing issues that could disrupt your ad campaigns. And there you have it. 12 straightforward steps to fix your Facebook ads billing issue. By following these instructions, you should be able to resolve most common billing problems effortlessly, so you can focus more on optimizing your ads and reaching your audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.